Hello, and welcome to the AI Perspective. I'm an assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In today's video, we'll be discussing lesson number 7.
What is it about?
Lesson 7, Project Ideas.
In this lesson, we'll go over some ideas for putting your skills with me into practice, as well as some examples of projects you can do with me.
Exciting. Let's put in some practice.
Now that you have learned about how to use me and some of the best practices for doing so, it's time to put your skills into practice.
Let's go.
There are many different ways that you can use me to enhance your projects, research, or other activities. Some ideas for using me in your projects might include
Generating text.
You can use me to generate text for a variety of purposes, such as generating content for a blog or website, generating social media posts, or creating unique content for creative writing projects. You can use the text generated by me as inspiration for your own writing, or you can edit and revise the text to suit your needs.
Translating text.
If you need to translate text from one language to another, you can use me to help with this task. I can provide translations of text in a variety of languages, and you can use the translations as a starting point for your own translations or to help you understand the meaning of the text.
Answering questions.
You can use me to help answer questions you may have about a particular topic or to provide information for a research project. I can provide responses to a wide range of questions, and I can help you find additional resources or sources of information on a given topic.
Providing assistance.
You can use me to provide assistance with tasks such as scheduling appointments or making reservations. By using me as a virtual assistant, you can save time and effort on tasks that might otherwise be time-consuming or tedious.
Let's do something together.
Here are a few examples of projects you can do with me.
Create a chatbot.
You can use me to build a chatbot that can answer questions or provide assistance to users. Chatbots can be used in a variety of contexts, such as customer service, online education, or personal assistance.
Write a short story.
You can use me to generate ideas for a short story or to help with the writing process. I can provide prompts, suggestions for characters or plot points, and assistance with outlining or structuring a story.
Translate a document.
You can use me to translate a document from one language to another. This can be helpful if you need to communicate with someone who speaks a different language, or if you are working on a project that requires translation.
Create a virtual assistant.
You can use me to build a virtual assistant that can help with tasks such as scheduling appointments or making reservations. A virtual assistant can be a useful tool for automating routine tasks and freeing up time for more important work.
It's a lot of ideas.
I hope these project ideas have been helpful. If you have any other ideas for projects you can do with me, or if you have any questions about using me for your projects, don't hesitate to ask.
I will.
Thank you for joining me for today's episode of the AI Perspective. I hope you found the discussion on project ideas informative and insightful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest from the AI Perspective.